Today I will show you how to install brush in Lightroom. So let's get started. As you can see, I have already downloaded these preset brushes. So let's go back to the Lightroom. Click on the adjustment brush icon. From here, click on custom. You can see that these are all default brushes. In the beginning, click on the edit menu. Click on preference. From here, click on the preset tab. Then click on show all other Lightroom preset. Double click on the Lightroom folder. From here, double click on local adjustment preset. Copy all the brushes from here. Then, to copy, click on the home tab and then click on the copy icon. Go back to the local adjustment presets folder. Click on the home tab. Click on the paste icon. Let's go back to the Lightroom again. Click on Restart Lightroom Classic button. Now check it out. Click on Adjustment Brush. You can see that all the brushes have been installed. Thanks for watching the video.